Well, two things I'm asked often. One is about the function of deities in the Rig Veda and their nature. Well, there are two aspects at least. One aspect is that they portray natural forces in the universe. The Maruts are the storm gods, Parjanya is the rain god, Indra is a mighty lightning god, Varuna is the sort of natural justice god, and so on and so forth. And Agni, of course, is the god of light and warmth. But what is often forgotten, particularly in the early writings on the mythology of, as they called it, of the Vedic tradition, is the inner aspect of man, because there is no doubt about it that they also represent inner forces and inner functions in the human mind and the human organism. There is particularly a hymn in the 6th mandala, hymn number 9, which is a hymn to Agni, where it is said, first of all, it's said that Agni is the supreme deity in that hymn, and there we speak about, they speak about mind and about the gods, and it's obviously that this transition from gods to mind and mind to gods doesn't make much sense, except we take that the gods are functions within man.